Summer Art hosted by Jobin from Crafts King, Pushpita from Doyelcreations. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creations. If you are new here, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so whenever I upload a new video, you're the first one to know. Give this video a big thumbs up and watch this video till the end. Here the challenge begins. I am taking part in this challenge. Are you ready? So my first challenge, here I am using this round circle. I was about to throw this, but I thought let me use in this my challenge. Yellow, orange and red. Here I use this acrylic color. You must be wondering, what is this? This is the group of friends who are very bestie and they are always there to help each other. You know, this is my group. Crafty group, and here I have mentioned our channel names and our names. Ready for second day challenge? The topic is fruit. Well, let me tell you about this mosaic art. I love to create this art and enjoyed making it. I would have done much better, but this is only for fun and I took part in this. Third day, and you know which challenge is this? Yes, ice cream. Yummy, yummy. Let me tell you something, I love this line variety and I always ask my students to make one art on this topic. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to take part in your 7 days art challenge, and I'm really happy to create this painting since long I didn't use acrylic paint, neither stone. So got this chance to paint and enjoyed making it. Here comes the summer doodle challenge. While making this, enjoyed very much. I hope you too will love this. Here I wrote few letters. If anyone can read, please comment below. Now on the 6th day of challenge, I come up with very easy and simple painting. Today is the 7th and the last day of this challenge, and really speaking, today was really a challenge for me. No idea what should I make, and I was running short of time, and just it struck my mind why I don't use all my 6-day craft in one. And yeah, I did it. I enjoyed all my 7 days art challenge. Thank you Joban and Pushpita for giving me this opportunity to try some good challenge. Friends, do you want to participate in this type of challenge? So do comment below. Follow Crafts King and Doyle Creations. All the links are mentioned below. I enjoyed my craft challenge. Friends, please let me know which art of mine you like most and which technique do you love. In future, do you want me to make videos on any of this topic or technique? Don't forget to comment below. Hope this video was very helpful. If yes, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you recreate any of this craft, please share with me on any of my social media. Your craft will be featured in my Monday special video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.